Want to convert an int to a string in Java? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a simple method. But before we start the process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. For example, let's say we have a number stored in a variable called myInteger. Now, we want to convert this number into a string. There are two ways you can do this. The first way is by using the toString method from the integer class. Just pass the number you want to convert as the parameter, and it will return a string value like this. Let's test it by adding 100 to the result. As you can see, this output shows that the data is now a string, because if it were still an integer, the result would have been 223 instead. The second way to do this is by using the value of method from the string class. This will also return a string, just like the first method. Let's test it the same way by adding 100. And again, we get an output like this, proving that the data has been converted into a string. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.